Today I'm going to be picking an ABUS 6530. Small lock by ABUS. It's a fun little lock, has some spool pins in it. I'm going to be using a medium hook from Sparrows, and I'm going to be going bottom of the keyway using a Sparrows tension wrench. Let's find the first binder. Pin 1 clicks. Pin 2, back to pin 1. Pin 3, back to pin 1. Pin 4, back to pin 1. Big full set. Pin 5. Pin 1's down. Pin's 2 down. Pin 3 is down. Pin 4 is down. Let's give pin 5 another go. All down. So pin 3 is not done yet. There we go. Pin 3. Pin 1 again. That deep false set again. Pin 5 is back up. And there we go. Fun little lock. First lock I managed to pick. A few spool pins in there. Gives lots of feedback on the tension wrench. Good practice lock for a beginner.